In this video I'm going to show you how to disable duets on your TikTok video. So first open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. Once you have opened up your profile, you need to locate that video you want to turn duets off. If you don't know what duets are, it's basically somebody can add their reaction to your video. So like on the right side it will be your video, on the left side it will be their video, and they can give a reaction. That's basically duetting. Click on the video, then click on the bottom right on these three dots, scroll until you see privacy settings, and then if it's on the right side, if it's blue like so, people will be able to duet this video. But if it's on the left side like this, they won't be able to duet the video. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.